Hey, hi creators. I guess I randomly popped onto your feed. I am Veda and welcome to Very Random Creations. In this video, we'll be making a 3D Royal Enfield logo. As usual, we have both the story part and the making part. The timestamps are mentioned down below in the description. First, let's see what the story is.
Oh, hi, man. I had a question actually. You see this dent over here? Yeah. It looks very odd, because and that's what I wanted to ask you if you know anybody who has a 3D printer. I want to 3D print a Royal Enfield logo.
Seriously, guys, he's asking me to find someone who can 3D print a logo. Huh? He would have known it if he had subscribed to the channel. Why don't you consider subscribing to the channel, No obligations though. No worries, man. I got you on this.
Yeah, this is for you. Wow, that actually looks so good. You know what? I'm trying it on the bike. It looks so good. It perfectly fits, dude. You're a lifesaver. That looks amazing. Thank you so much.
If you're interested in knowing how to do it yourself, please continue watching this video.
Step 1. The first step is we need an SVG file of the Royal Enfield logo matching the Thunderbird 500. I did some research, but I couldn't find any pre-made SVG files. So, I decided to look for a high-quality image of the logo instead. Here's one I found that matches the bike's design. Now, I've opened it in Paint to clean up unwanted graphics and text. You might wonder why I'm doing this, but trust me, it'll make sense in the next step. Step 2. Next, we need to convert this cleaned up PNG into an SVG file. I'm using an online PNG to SVG converter tool. Let's upload the edited PNG, and voila, we've got our SVG. Now, it's ready for 3D modeling.
Quick facts. Did you know that RE does their environmental testing not just by simulating that environment but by also taking the bike to actual harsh environmental conditions like Rajasthan and Himalayas? Interesting, right? Even brands like Triumph, KTM and BMW Motorrad does the same.
Step 3. Time to open Fusion 360 and start modeling. Earlier, I measured the dent's diameter on the bike, which is around 75 millimeters. First, I'll extrude a circle with a 75 millimeters diameter and 5 millimeters thickness. The RE logo will sit on top of this base for a 3D effect. Let's import the SVG file as a sketch. As you can see, the logo's dimensions don't match the base. We'll need to resize and center it perfectly. Oh, and notice all these imperfections in the sketch? This is why cleaning the original image was so important. Step 4. Once the logo is resized and cleaned up in Fusion 360, I'll extrude the R and E letters by 3 millimeters above the base. Even after extrusion, I'm double-checking every edge for flaws. If there's clutter, I'll manually sketch over areas to fix gaps or jagged lines. Finally, I'll draw a 3 mm thick boundary circle around the logo and extrude it to match the height of the letters. The model's ready, let's export it as an STL file for printing. Step 5. I'm using Cura to slice the model. Looks like the print will take about 2.5 hours. Here's the final print. To finish the logo, I'll first apply a transparent lacquer for shine. Then, I'll mask the RE letters and spray the surrounding area with matte black paint. Peel off the masking tape, and this is the result.
What if you have a 3D model but you don't have a 3D printer to 3D print it? We Dimension DK provide you 3D printing and designing service. We have wide range of machines from smaller to larger, multi-color to multi-material. So do check our page for more information.
Yes everyone, if you'd like to 3D print, you can contact Dimensions 3K. Check out description for more details.
Thanks a lot for staying this far, and I truly hope that you enjoyed the content which I made. Like, comment and share if you find it interesting, and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any future random creations. Until then, stay creative. A creation created for creators.